In this video we will try to understand important judicial doctrine. Now we'll see. Doctrine of separation of powers. Let's start. This doctrine mainly signifies the division of powers between various organs of the state, executive, legislature and judiciary. Now we will try to understand this doctrine point-wise. Point 1. Separation of powers signifies mainly three formulations of governmental powers: judicial, executive, or legislative. Point number 2. The same person should not form part of more than one of the three organs of the state. Point 3. One organ should not interfere with any other organ of the state. And last one is, one organ should not exercise the functions assigned to any other organ. Constitutional provisions related to this doctrine of separation of power is Article 50 of the Directive Principles of State Policy (DPSP) of the Indian Constitution, which separates the judiciary from executive as, the state shall take steps to separate judiciary from the executive in the public services of the state, and except this there is no formal and dogmatic division of power. Now those leading cases in which this doctrine of separation of power explained. Important judgments related to this doctrine are: in Ram Jawaya vs. State of Punjab 1955 case, the apex court held, Indian Constitution has not indeed recognized the doctrine of separation of powers in its absolute rigidity, but the functions of the different parts or branches of the government have been sufficiently differentiated. In Indira Nehru Gandhi vs. Raj Narain 1975, the Supreme Court held, separation of powers as part of the basic structure of the Constitution. None of the three separate organs of the Republic can take over the functions assigned to the other. I hope this explains the judicial doctrine. Doctrine of separation of power.
Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe.